Lesson: Ethical, Legal, and Compliance Standards in AI. Understanding the ethical, legal, and compliance standards in artificial intelligence is paramount for professionals engaged in auditing AI systems. These standards form the backbone of responsible AI deployment, ensuring that technologies are developed and used in ways that align with societal values and legal requirements. The integration of ethical considerations into AI systems is not just a moral imperative, but also a practical necessity for risk management and compliance. This lesson provides actionable insights, practical tools, and frameworks to help professionals navigate this complex landscape effectively. Ethical considerations in AI revolve around principles such as fairness, accountability, transparency, and privacy. Fairness in AI involves ensuring that algorithms do not perpetuate biases or discrimination. For instance, AI systems used in recruitment must be audited for bias to prevent discriminatory outcomes. Practical tools such as the AI Fairness 360 toolkit, developed by IBM, offer a suite of metrics and algorithms to detect and mitigate bias in datasets and models. This toolkit provides a step-by-step approach to assessing bias, allowing auditors to generate comprehensive reports that highlight areas of concern and suggest corrective measures. Transparency is another critical ethical consideration, requiring AI systems to be explainable and understandable to users. The European Union's General Data Protection Regulation mandates the right to explanation, which necessitates that individuals understand how decisions affecting them are made by AI systems. Tools like LIME and SHAP are widely used to interpret complex models, providing insights into how specific inputs influence predictions. These tools equip auditors with the ability to assess the transparency of AI systems and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. Privacy protection is integral to ethical AI, particularly in light of increasing data breaches and unauthorized data usage. The GDPR and the California Consumer Privacy Act are landmark regulations that impose stringent data protection standards. Compliance with these regulations necessitates robust data governance frameworks that include data minimization, encryption, and access controls. Privacy-enhancing technologies such as differential privacy and federated learning offer practical solutions for maintaining data privacy while enabling AI development. Auditors must evaluate the implementation of these technologies to ensure that AI systems comply with privacy regulations and protect user data. Legal standards in AI encompass a broad range of regulatory frameworks that govern the use and development of AI technologies. These include sector-specific regulations, such as the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act for healthcare AI applications and the Federal Trade Commission guidelines for consumer protection. Professionals must be adept at mapping these legal requirements to AI systems, ensuring that all aspects of the technology, from data collection to deployment, adhere to applicable laws. A practical framework for this is the compliance mapping technique, which involves creating a matrix that aligns AI processes with relevant legal standards. This technique enables auditors to identify gaps in compliance and develop remediation strategies. Compliance standards in AI are often encapsulated in industry-specific guidelines and best practices. The Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers and the International Organization for Standardization provide comprehensive standards for AI system development and deployment. The IEEE's Ethically Aligned Design Framework, for example, offers guidelines to ensure that AI technologies are aligned with human values and ethical principles. This framework outlines actionable steps for integrating ethical considerations into the design and implementation of AI systems, serving as a valuable resource for auditors seeking to enhance compliance. Real-world challenges in AI auditing often involve balancing ethical considerations with business objectives. For instance, the pursuit of efficiency and cost reduction can sometimes conflict with the need for fairness and transparency. Auditors must develop strategies to navigate these challenges, ensuring that ethical standards are not compromised for the sake of expediency. A case study involving a major financial institution illustrates this point. The institution implemented an AI system for credit scoring, but faced backlash over allegations of bias. Through a comprehensive audit using the AI Fairness 360 toolkit, the institution identified and addressed the sources of bias, ultimately enhancing the system's fairness and restoring public trust. Statistics underscore the importance of rigorous ethical, legal, and compliance standards in AI. A study by the Capgemini Research Institute found that 62% of consumers would place greater trust in a company whose AI interactions they perceive as ethical. This statistic highlights the business imperative for ethical AI, as consumer trust is a critical driver of brand loyalty and market success. Moreover, Gartner predicts that by 2022, 85% of AI projects will deliver erroneous outcomes due to bias in data, algorithms, or the teams responsible for managing them. This prediction underscores the need for robust auditing processes to identify and rectify biases before they lead to adverse outcomes. In conclusion, the ethical, legal, and compliance standards in AI are essential components of responsible AI deployment. Professionals in the field of AI auditing must be equipped with the knowledge and tools necessary to assess and enhance these standards proactively. By leveraging practical tools such as the AI Fairness 360 Toolkit, LIME, and SHAP, auditors can effectively evaluate AI systems for fairness, transparency, and compliance. Furthermore, frameworks like compliance mapping and the IEEE's ethically aligned design provide structured approaches for aligning AI technologies with ethical and legal requirements. Real-world examples and statistics reinforce the critical importance of these standards, demonstrating that ethical AI is not only a moral imperative, but also a strategic advantage. As AI technologies continue to evolve, the role of auditors in ensuring ethical, legal, and compliance standards will be increasingly vital, safeguarding both societal values and organizational success.